Okay, now we're going to do an iPhone 5S. Same thing. Doesn't even respawn. Okay, so we're going to use the pendulum screw to take the bottom two screws out. And usually if it doesn't respond, it's because the digitizer flex has been damaged. 5S, you want to be careful because as you can see, there's a little cable here that's connecting the phone still to the phone, the home button to the phone. So we're going to stick our knife in here and pull this thing out. I'm going to close it so it doesn't fly off. And then as you can see, that's what it is. That little critter right there. And then the rest is the same as the iPhone 5. Gotta Okay, there we go. Same thing, hold it down, grab it here, and 1, 2, lift up. Okay, same concept. If you want, you can clean the flex connectors with some alcohol. Gives there was something that got caught onto there that was interfering with the connection. I'm going to put that aside. Grab our new screen.
Oh my god. Is no $25, it's $35.
Okay.
Just token text is
Need to remove this part. Connect it to the flex cable right here. This guy. You're gonna push it this way and then that way, like that.
What's on Saturday?
Yeah. Give the money on the phone. Yeah. I just forget your receipt. Yeah,
Okay. This bottom one's really tricky because there's a little piece right there that you don't want to lose while unscrewing. So you basically unscrew it, but not completely, only enough to open it right here. And we're going to remove the home button.
Still red?
Wow, yeah, it is.
Still red? Oh my gosh, that is battery problem.
You can also use a heat gun to help get rid of the adhesive. We're also going to borrow that piece right there. And this piece right here. We're going to bring in our new screen. We're going to start with the home button. And up, and then close this back out. There we go. Always make sure you're not stripping the screws, because if you strip the screws with these repairs, you're in a lot of hot water, so don't strip the screws. If you're spinning it and the screws aren't moving, stop spinning it.
Oh no, it's not 5 though. Sorry, I can't do these 5. These are 20. No, yeah, because it's basically 5. These allow us to like say 2 colors.
Okay, there we go. Now we're just going to reattach it to the board. iPhone 5s in another video. I'll show you the complete breakdown. And once again, we're going to reconnect this here. See? Okay, and then we're going to replace this. As you can see, and that takes practice as well. And bam, now we have a working phone. Okay. Thank you very much. Of course, you can put the bottom screws back in as well.